For many reasons, you may need a Virtual Private Network (VPN). These reasons may vary from protecting your personal data to a right change of location while surfing in the internet. I need a lightweight client and lightweight backend for my server. That's why I choose WireGuard. You will need own VPS with a static IPv4 address and root access to it. In this video, I will show you how I set up a VPN for myself. Hello everyone, привет всем, and welcome back to very excited video blog. Connect to your server via SSH with a root login. Before starting the installation, let's update the list of packages on the server. Type apt space update and press enter. Install the curl utility, what will help us to download packages from the command line. In the next step, download the VPN installer with name PiVPN. This is backend for Raspberry Pi, and it will automatically start. We agree with the greetings by pressing Enter key. We will not use IPv6 address, so we choose No. Some ISPs do not provide a static IP address, which is why we see this warning. And make sure you have a static IP address. At this step, you will be prompted to create a new user for the VPN server or choose from existing one. You can make selection using the key tabs or Shift plus tab and arrow on the your keyboard. Choose WireGuard client. Port on which our client will work, sometimes this port can be blocked, so we are offered to change it. For this step, I recommend choose Google DNS, but you can choose something else if you are more versed in the configuration your server. Choose a static IP. OK. OK. Press Yes. OK. Press Yes and reboot your server. Again, connecting back to the server and enter command PiVPN space add to add a new user. Enter his profile name and press enter. Access keys will be generated. So, if we go to the home username configs directory, we will see the created configuration file to this user. Let's display the content of this file. Enter command cat. The contents of this file must be copied to a file on your local laptop. Create a new file and put its content there. At this point, you should already have installed the WireGuard client. You can find the link to it in the description below this video. Run it and add the configuration what you copied from the server to it. Agree with access permission and your client is ready. It is enough to activate. Let's check how it works on the My IP Address website. For a mobile phone, everything is exactly the same. Add a new client. But to transfer the configuration, I use the QR code, like this. Best way to say thank you to the author is to subscribe and share this video. I will hope to see you next time.